Hello everyone, we're going to find this question said find the perimeter of a circle which has a diameter of 14 cm. Now we know that perimeter is the same thing as what the circumference. So and we know that the circumference or the parameter is same thing as we can get it by this formula. So now say that the radius, the diameter is what 14, and we know that radius is always diameter divided by 2. Then the diameter equal to 14 divided by 2, that will give us 7. So now if we are to substitute, we have our pi there to be, our pi is equal to 22 over 1, 22 over 7, and then so to substitute we have it to be 2 over 7 times 7 over 1 times 2. So what we have here is that 7 will cancel out, 7 will cancel out. This multiply will have 44 cm. That's the parameter of the circle. The next one we have here said that find the parameter of a circle which radius is 14 cm and angle of the sector is 120. Now the pi is also the same thing. It's still the same. So in this case we have a angle of a sector, and we know that to get this thing means that the parameter in this case will be the length of the words arc plus words the radius 2, because it will be like something that look like this. This place is what 120 degree, here is 14, here is 14. Now the parameter has to do with all these sides. So the length of this arc adding with the other two will give us what the parameter of this very one. So the first thing we do here is to get the length of the arc. The length of the arc will be equal to 360 theta over 360 times 2 pi r. So we have our theta is 120 over what 360 times 2 times what pi, which is 22 over 7 times what and 14, which is the radius. So this will cancel, we have it there, here will give us 2. So and the next thing we have here is we can cancel out this, or we'll cancel out again. We have 3. So at the end of the game we have 102.66 cm. So this is the length of the arc. Now the next thing we do is to add up with the other radius. Now the length of the arc, which is this, plus 2 times radius, which is 14. 2 times radius will give us 28, plus then we'll have okay. So we have 130.66 cm, that is 130.66 cm, 66 centimeter, or we can bring it down a bit to one approximately this. All right, thank you so much for watching.